Jamaican. Today I'm gonna make some pepper strips. Let's start.
Hi guys, this is it. This is about 2 pounds. Okay, and this is my season, guys. I'm gonna use. Okay, everything that I have here, this is it. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna use like half a teaspoon ginger. It's already here. Okay, half a teaspoon of black pepper. It's already here. All right, I'm gonna use some chili powder. It's already here. This is like a teaspoon of chili powder. All right, so this is it. So you can see the name if you want to use these. Okay. All right, I'm gonna use some garlic powder. All right, the garlic powder is already here. That's half a teaspoon. Okay, I'm gonna use some onion, some minced onion. Okay, it's already here. This is like a tablespoon and a half. It's already here. All right, and I'm gonna use some hot pepper. Okay, this is pretty hot. All right, I'm gonna use some scallion. Okay, the scallion. This is it. It's already cut up. The onion is already cut up in this thing already. All right, and the thyme it's already in this thing already. Okay, so basically this is what I'm going to use. All right, and you can use a pinch of salt. Okay, and if you want to use it, this is not a must. You can use a chili season mix. Okay, but it's not a must. But I like to use this because it gives it a nice flavor. Okay, I'm going to use some butter too. Okay, all right, I'm going to show you right now in my pot. Okay. Okay guys, so this is some oil and some butter. Okay, so I mix my oil and butter together. Okay, so now I'm going to show in. All right. Okay guys, so this is my season. Okay. And guys, I don't think I'll tell you about this. This is the seasoned salt, okay? This is the Jamaican seasoned salt. If you don't want to use the Jamaican seasoned salt, guys, you can use the all-purpose seasoned salt, okay? So this is it, guys. And guys, I'm going to cook this for around 5 minutes, okay? And if you feel like you want to throw some more chili powder in it, you can go ahead and do that. Okay? I'm gonna throw some more. I'm gonna throw like a teaspoon of chili powder in it right now. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave this to cook, and then throw the cut up season that I cut up. I'm gonna throw it in last. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for about 4 minutes, and then come back and throw the season and let the season cook with it for about a minute. All right. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna drop a little lemon juice in it, just a little drop. Okay. Okay. Drop a little lemon juice in it, guys. Okay. Okay. Then, guys, this is the season, guys, that I'm gonna use. All right. I like a lot of season. You don't have to use a lot, but for me, I like a lot of season. Okay. Guys, so this is the scallion. So what you can do, guys, just do like this to take it off the stick. You don't have to throw the stick in there, guys. You know, just all the time, just do like this to take it off the stick. Okay, you want to do like that to take it off the stick. All right, like this. You see, you don't have to put the stick. All right, like this to take it off the stick, guys. Okay, and this is the pepper. Guys, if you don't like pepper, don't put a lot of pepper, okay? This is a lot of pepper. And this is not just a lot, but it's hot. Okay? It's hot. Alright? Alright guys. So this is it. So guys, I'm gonna take it off the stove now and cover it up for another minute. All right. So that's it, guys. It's off the stove. Turn it off. Okay, guys, so this is it, guys. It's finished now, guys. It looks amazing, and I know it tastes amazing. All right, guys, so right now I'm gonna try it. Guys, it's pretty hot, but it's good. Guys, it's a lot of flavor. Really, really good. Guys, you will absolutely love this, guys. It's amazing. Okay. But guys, if you watch this video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.